There are two gestures that allow you to take a screenshot on a Motorola Moto G56. The main gesture is the 3-finger screenshot gesture, where with 3 fingers we need to touch our screen. So use 3 fingers and touch the screen in order to capture the screenshot. This gesture can be enabled or disabled by going to settings. Over here, open the gestures, and then you should be able to find 3-finger screenshot. And over here, as you can see, we can toggle this option. And another gesture that we can use is the quick launch, which is the double tap back of the phone. However, in order to make sure that we can take a screenshot with this gesture, after enabling quick launch, we want to go to settings, and over here we have take screenshot option. So make sure that it is selected over here. And after that, you should be able to double tap the back of the phone in order to capture the screenshot. Usually I tap over here like this, but of course you can go back into the gestures over here, and if you open quick launch you can press try it out, and then you can double tap the back of the phone in order to get the feedback. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.